Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with National Bank of Arizona, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your business goals. Research the services offered by National Bank of Arizona. Open a business checking account to streamline your finances. Consult with a business banking specialist for tailored advice. Explore lines of credit and business loans suitable for your needs. Understand the various financing options available for scaling. Consider using online banking tools for easier management. Set up a merchant services account for payment processing. Utilize business savings accounts to build reserves. Take advantage of any financial education resources provided. Join local networking events to connect with other businesses. Discuss investment opportunities that may align with your goals. Review your financial health regularly with bank statements and reports. Leverage the bank's expertise to optimize your cash flow. Analyze how National Bank of Arizona can help you expand into new markets. Stay informed about the latest banking innovations and offerings. Build a long-term relationship with your banking partner for ongoing support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.